At Southern Ceramic Solutions, we don't just detail cars, we take protection to the next level. Sure, a clean car is nice, but if the paint isn't protected, the shine won't last. That's why we specialize in professional grade ceramic coatings. This isn't your average wax. Ceramic coating bonds to your paint, creating a hard, durable layer that shields against UV rays, bird droppings, road grime, and everyday wear. The results? Insane gloss, deep reflections, and water that just slides right off. Your car stays cleaner longer, and when it's time to wash, cleanup is a breeze. So whether you drive a daily commuter or a weekend show car, don't just settle for detailing. Protect your investment with a professional-grade ceramic coating that lasts. Southern Ceramic Solutions, where shine meets protection. Give us a call at 256-440-1520 for your quote, or stop by and see us at 1595 Main Street in Fyffe. You can also check out our previous ceramic coatings on our YouTube channel or online at southernceramicsolutions.com.